This is the fertilizer, and it smells as good as it looks, you guys. This is Alaskan fish fertilizer. And I'm just using this little turkey baster. And into the bottom feeder it goes. Here's Rusty Dog. He is not loving the smell, but he's a trooper. He likes to hang out with me, even when we're doing dirty jobs. Here's all the plant babies. Lots of plant babies. Everybody's getting fertilized today. And we're gonna see some really huge growth once this fertilizer gets in the next couple days. These will probably double in size. And a few more days from now, we can start hardening off some of these, like the lettuces. We've got some basil back there. That's gonna take a little bit longer. Here's some tomatoes. So yeah, fertilizing day. Say hi, Rusty Dog. Hi, puppy. All right, guys, I'll see you when it's time to harden off.